Thousands dream of visiting the Kaaba. This year, let that dream become your reality. Imagine standing before the holy Kaaba.
Imagine making dua in the most sacred place on earth. Imagine sharing this beautiful journey with your family and loved ones. Bab Salam for Umrah Services invites you to experience a spiritually rewarding Umrah journey from Doha, Qatar. We offer flexible Umrah packages designed for every budget and schedule. Choose our 5-day package from 599 qalar, 7-day package from 699 qatar, or 10-day package from 799 qatar. Looking for premium accommodation and enhanced services? Our VIP Umrah packages are available with additional comfort and exclusive benefits. Each package includes luxury transportation, hotels near Haram, guided ziyarat tours, Umrah training sessions, experienced guides, and complete travel assistance. You'll visit historical Islamic sites in Mecca and Medina while learning the significance of each location. Special Ramadan and Eid Umrah packages are also available for pilgrims seeking the blessings of these holy occasions. Let us take care of the planning while you focus on worship, reflection, and spiritual growth. Seats are limited for each departure. Book your Umrah journey today and take the first step toward one of the most meaningful experiences of your life. Bab Salam for Umrah Services, your trusted Umrah partner from Doha, Qatar.